Your grandfather.
No.
Yeah.
Pinagtripan na naman. No.
And then your grandfather say like that.
I don't even know how to write that one. Yeah.
Oh, sige, repeat after me.
Mm.
Cao Nian,
Cao nhé.
Cao Nian,
Cao nhé.
Cao Nian,
Cao nhé.
Cao Nian,
Cao nhé.
Cao tayo.
Kain tayo!
Kain ta. Kaon ta.
You read it.
Benta-benta!
Alam mo, I see ikaw ba? Duro. Yeah, you read well.
Oh, like this. Oh.
Hindi mo wala intindihan yun. I am.
Ayan ang taga-
Ayan na si Pastor. Pastor.
Myanmar, Chinese!
Oh, Bisaya. Bisaya. Halo-halo.
Oh,
Hindi, sabi ka
Last
si Ma'am Ruth.
Oh.
Ay, nag-classic ko na.
You read.
You read.
You read yun.
Ayam mo si Garba.
Sigaga,
Duro. Kari. Ayam mo si Garba.
Duro ka rin.
Duro kanimo.